So, hello everyone, and welcome to today's unboxing of the
Razer Kraken V3 Hypersense, and it has haptic technology.
for touch sensory feedback and heightening
Like the
immersive.
ear cups rumble like in a way, so you
Oh yeah,
can
you can
feel
see.
like the explosions or the like bullets flying next to
Oh
your
wow,
ear. Like it's
that's cool.
like a lot of people said it's kind of immersive, but also kind of annoying.
Yeah.
So of course I had to buy it.
So it depends on the person. So even you like it or you don't. Yeah.
Let's open up.
Yeah, let's open up it. And where is it? Oh yeah. Or maybe we will take a look at the packaging. So here you see the packaging logo and Razer and something with go green with Razer, but I don't know what it stands for. Then we have the kind of inbuilt thing and some details. Also some details, and yeah, let's open it.
You know what like Go Green stands for, but we were really questioning if Razer is like ecological whatever.
Not ecological, but nachhaltig.
It's like a nature preserving company.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
we
we're
weren't
kind of
sure.
questioning that, but maybe
So let's open it.
maybe Razer really went green with their products.
Okay. So here we got it. So, it's really easy to open. Oh, it's for gamers by gamers. So if you're not a gamer, you can't use it.
Yeah.
Oh wow! Look at that. Look at that.
Marina actually has an older Razer Kraken. I guess it's the X USB whatever.
Something.
Yeah, and I'm really curious how they compare to each
Yeah.
other.
So at first I can say that it's really heavy.
It's heavy?
Yeah, it's kind of heavy.
Oh wow, yeah.
Yeah, like solid heavy.
Yeah.
Not really that heavy as if you have some weights on your head,
You
but
have your dry stuff in here.
yeah. So let's just show them. Maybe?
And we were debating if the cable is detachable, but no, it's not.
Yeah, but I thought about the microphone, not the
Yeah, but
cable. I wasn't. So here you can see it. There you have some cushion.
Oh.
They're looking good.
Is there
They're a little bit smelly or something, but not that smelly. It's just some
maybe it's they with Go Green they meant like Go Green
smelly
slime or whatever.
slime.
Like Go Green chemical plant also.
Yeah. Oh, we still have the mic.
Yeah.
It's kind of the same material like the cushion here. So so don't throw it away.
And of course you get your
Manual.
paperwork.
Yeah.
So you don't forget how to turn on your headset. And your thank you note from Razer.
Here's the mic. If you can see it, it looks pretty simple, but also it's really bendable. Do you see that? And it's nice. So here's the headphones, the menus, and the mic.
So
So
that's everything you get in the
yeah.
package.